Hi friends, let me show you this new hearing amplifier that I received for reviewing purposes. It's a really comfortable accessory if you need something like this. This is a nice one because it's really portable, okay? You just put it in your neck like this. You put it in your ears like this. It has a noise cancelling option, okay? You get different accessories for it. Different ear size accessories if you want to change it to have it more comfortably in your ears, okay? You get a small brush to clean it, and of course a USB-C cable, okay? It's rechargeable. You will connect it to your phone by Bluetooth if you need to. Here you will charge it. This is the USB-C port, okay? And you will connect it to a USB-A regular connection, okay? You turn it on here and you have 5 different volume levels, okay? Okay, you can change the volume. Okay, you get a user manual. You also can change the noise reduction option from strong to weak. So more noise reduction or less noise reduction, okay? And of course you connect them to your phone through Bluetooth to be able to answer your phone calls or hear your music. Let's charge it. We are going to charge. Okay. So we are going to wait for them to get charged, and try them on. When you turn it on, you see it's looking for a Bluetooth connection. So we are going to pair it in our phone here, T014. Now we have it paired, okay? So we are going to be able to use it. Okay, so I hear my voice enhanced, so it's comfortable to have a conversation with this kind of sound magnifier. And if I want to make a phone call, I get the sound in my system, okay? In the hearing aid, okay? I have different volume and I can change the strength of the noise cancelling, okay? So it sounds great. I really hear the sound enhanced, and I also can pair it to my phone to be able to hear music or to listen to phone calls. Okay? I'm hearing my podcast also. So you can hear your phone's apps, music, phone calls, and when you're not using your phone, you hear an enhanced sound, okay? So if for any reason you need a hearing aid, a hearing magnifier. This is a really nice, practical, light one. Thank you.